Because Einstein said E equals mc squared. Just kidding, there's more to it than that. An atom isn't the smallest part of matter. Inside it, you've got electrons, protons, and neutrons. The nucleus, made of protons and neutrons, is where the action happens. Protons repel each other, but they're stuck together by neutrons. If we shoot a neutron into the nucleus, it can split the atom, causing a chain reaction. This releases a huge amount of energy. Boom! So next time you hear about atomic explosions, remember it's all about those tiny particles causing a big bang.